So accelerator's still not running today. Hopefully it'll be open by tomorrow/Saturday. Yeah, all the lights are on in the station, but no running. So I don't know if I can do a real update at all on Hangtime, to be honest, because it's so dark. There are literally no construction lights at all on Hangtime. Yeah, we'll see what we can do. Garrick, I think we should get out of line. There is a test train. I can't see it at all. Here we go. White train is coming out. I think they've got...
There's someone in it.
Is there a person?
There's a guy in the
There is
front.
a person in the front row of Hangtime right now. Like, focus. There is a legitimate person, like a living human being, in the front row of Hangtime testing right now. Oh my goodness. Also in less exciting news, they're adding lights on the side. Yep. But someone legitimately just rode Hangtime. Like a legitimate human being. I'm freaking out. Someone actually just had the first ever ride on Hangtime. So there are people getting in front row right now. They are having full test riders, like human test riders. So after seeing the first ever test rider on Hangtime, it's been like 15 minutes or so maybe, and we have not seen any other trains go out for testing. So I don't know what's going on. This station is now empty. There is literally no one else. Maybe they just wanted the one test run and then they said goodnight. I don't know. More insulation on the gift shop. It's looking good. There's also some railings. I couldn't really see it with the camera too well, but the exit is pretty much done now. And the railings are like that nice blue, like this wall.